In the remote corners of our islands, the setting sun marks the end of opportunity for hundreds of online students. But what if we could harness that same sun to power their dreams during night? Distance and energy poverty create a digital divide that traps students in rural areas. Without reliable power, digital literacy remains a luxury that they cannot afford. We propose the Liwanag Hub, solar-powered bamboo classroom. It provides 24/7 access to the internet and modern learning tools. All of these are fueled entirely by clean, renewable energy from the sun. By integrating green technology with digital educational access, we create a resilient infrastructure that will serve the specific needs of online rural students. Imagine a future where every rural area is a source of literacy, which can prepare a global workforce without increasing the carbon footprint. Invest in the Liwanag Hub. Join us in making digital equity a reality. Let us power the future of education together.